guys, this is what happens when nobody makes quads anymore other than Yamaha. We just got bored, all of us. You're looking at a result of us being bored and trying to bring back quads a little bit here. So this thing is going to be available as a bolt-on kit. If you already are a current customer with a trike kit, you can bolt this front end right on your trike if you really want to. Yeah, stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna get this thing out in the dirt, but again, first, this thing's coming back apart. We got to fixture this whole chassis, more or less start from a brand new frame this time. What's up, guys? So in this video, we're getting our quad kit finished up. So I'm gonna insert a bunch of time-lapse clips. You're gonna see Drew and I getting this thing finished up. Stay tuned for the finished product. We're gonna get it bolted onto the quad and see how it looks.
What do we got here, Bill?
Oh,
what do we got here?
I got this thing kind of tacked up together yesterday. Drew just finished welded as much of it as he could on the fixture, so it's time to pull off the fixture. All right, guys, little break in the video. I want to show you guys the bike that was in the first clip. So basically the front end's completely off. We did indeed convert a dirt bike into a four-wheeler. I thought it could be done, and then we did it, and now we're just continuing our final frame design, and we're gonna get it bolted back on this quad at the end of the video. But, just to give you guys an idea of how I guess we decided to do this. So as you guys know, we got trikes. We've been building these for quite a few years now. So everything on our quad kit, I mean, this is pretty much ready to be a trike, but the way we've designed this kit, you're gonna bolt our quad kit right on the front of this. And instead of having a three-wheeler, you're basically gonna take this right here and put a quad front end on it. This is already a quad rear end, right from the TRX rear components to the ATV plastic and seat, and that's how we make our modern three-wheelers. Just so you guys, I guess, what the kit looks like without plastic. That's the subframe, that's the swing arm. We've got all our axle components on here, from the sprocket guard right to the anti-fade and all the fun stuff. But yeah, more or less, when this frame's finished up, it's getting bolted on here. You're gonna see a quad front end on here. Got all my parts in a box here. They've just been patiently waiting. So we're gonna start off with some lower level A-arms. These are like a $500 set of A-arms. And then we're gonna come up with our own set. And top of the line will be Walsh. So there's gonna be a few options available on the website to complete these kits. So let's get back to the video.
What do we got here, Bill?
Oh,
what do we got here?
I got this thing kind of tacked up together yesterday. Drew just finished welded as much of it as he could on the fixture, so it's time to pull off the fixture. So it's our first, I guess, half ATV frame for quad kits. I say half because we're using the other half of the dirt bike in the back, as you guys see in the video. But yeah, let's pull it off and see how it looks. I'm like a little kid right now. I'm all excited. We created a monster here. this fixture for sure.
You've been working on it for a couple weeks now.
I mean, we don't build frame fixtures every day, but you see all the subframe fixtures on the wall over there. I mean, kind of have an idea on what we got to do here. So it kind of just came naturally. Everyone keeps asking where all the other projects are at. Well, this is like a 2-year deal for me, so.
You've been working late nights on this one.
Well, we haven't been working on it for 2 years, but it's been in the works for a couple years. We've been talking about it, planning, and kind of getting the concept rolling in the computer.
It feels so nice pulling these bolts out and they're not like stuck or anything.
I mean, Drew and I,
It didn't pull too hard.
Drew and I cut up a frame back in the wall. You know, we were messing around. What happened was we moved a couple times just getting out west, and it slowed down the progress on this whole deal. But very happy to see it coming together. Yeah, so you guys can see this top tower is completely removable. The box setup right to the steering stem, so this is actually going to get clamped into the dirt bike frame. So all the load from the shock tower is actually going up to this guy right here, and that's going to go right up to the dirt bike frame, which is right here. So instead of having your steering stem hang way out into the air, it's going to be inside the top of the frame. But nice piece right there. It's not overbuilt. It's actually not as heavy as I thought it would be, Drew, honestly. With all the weld and stuff, I mean, you never know. But you can see how we got these tied in right here. So normally on a quad frame, the tube's literally just going to go straight up and kind of back right here. We have a piece going across, so everything's kind of tied together. We got the dual support on this tower right here. So doubling up here, got a support here, and it's just sending all that load right up to the top. Man, I'm excited.
That's incredible.
Yeah, it was interesting fixturing this too, but everything came together already. So this is our front tube for our steering stem bearing. Got it machined already. It's not mounted yet. We're gonna do that last. But first step's get it done. Slide her back. There we go. Wow, man, just do a walk around, Alex. I think it's so cool. That's wicked. She is. Not bad, man.
You guys did good.
This will just hold my baby for a picture. It's for memories.
Yeah.
Alright guys, here's another little close-up of the tower. Just kind of give you an idea. So we've got the steering stem, which coming over here, you guys can see how it starts. We got a piece of chromoly tube. Got it threaded on the top right here. It's obviously going to hold the steering stem nut. This is going to go to the top race. It'll slide down like that. And as you saw, this bottom one gets welded on. We try to make all these components in separate pieces. Reduces the size of the stock, makes it a little bit cheaper and faster to make. And if something does go wrong, it allows us to have extra parts in stock. We've already got a bunch of them ready to go for the kits. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. There she is, guys. Looks really good. Very happy with how it turned out. Drew did a killer job on the finish welds. I think it came out real nice. Super clean. Got the prototype steering stem right here. We're still got to finish the final one up, and we're going to get our steering stem mount on in the last part of this. But yeah, it's looking killer. Got the removable tower right here. Just want to show you guys the way this is built. Like I was saying, the tubes run right up in there. Straight across to the front of the shock tower. That's coped and welded up against that. And that whole tower just kind of ties it all together. Super, super happy with it. That's it for today's video. I ran out of time. I got to get this thing finished up. John's currently working on a bushing for me and a couple more pieces for the steering stem. So as soon as that's done, I'm going to get the bottom steering stem bearing holder welded on and and in position, and then we're gonna get this thing on the bike. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Hoping to get this thing bolted on, get everything basically set to go, take it for a test ride, and then hopefully this weekend we'll get the thing out on the track or possibly the trail. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you like sport quads, and just comment if you think this is cool. I hope it's the future, because I love putting ATV parts on dirt bikes. So see what happens, guys. See you in the next one.